In this video, I will show you 5 best websites to download the free stock photos. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the digital world. In this channel, we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. So the first website we have is the Canva. The link is here. I'm going to give this link in the description below also. By the way, it is canva.com photos. In that, I have just searched the tech word just to give you an idea the kind of photos which are available in this website. While the photos are free, but you need to go to this option, and from here you need to select the free only. So these would be the photos which you can use in your projects for freely. So this was the first website. The second website we have for you is the flickr.com. Yes, you heard me right. The flickr.com also has the photos which are commercially allowed, which you can use in your projects. Again, the catch is that once you are searching for a particular word in the flickr.com, from the search results towards this side, you will see the licenses. Here you can filter out any license, Creative Commons, commercial use allowed, modification. So you just need to click this all Creative Commons, or I would say that commercial use allowed would be the better option. And from here you can select the sizes, the large and orientation, etc. also. So this was our second site from where you can download the free stock photos. The third one is the unsplash.com. So this website also has a very high quality stock photos which are freely available, meaning by that they are in public domain and you can use them in your projects. The categories, the prominent categories, they have highlighted on the top. So you can just click the one of the category and you will see the photos in that category. So this was the third website from where you can download the free stock photos. The second best website of the day, and that is pixels.com. This is one of my 2 favorite websites from where I usually download my stock photos. The reason for this is that it has a huge inventory of the photos. Right now, as you can see, that I have searched the word tag, and you can see that there are around more than 5,000 photos. There are 247 videos which you can use freely for your projects. So this website is also very good to download these stock photos. And at number 1, there is, I suppose, no surprises, is the pixabay.com. And the pixabay.com is perhaps the one of the best websites to download the stock footages and stock photos. This is by far my favorite because of the huge library that it has. Once you are on the home page, from here you can select the you can filter out which category you want to search. It has the category of images, photos, vector graphics, illustrations and videos also. So you can search for your word and filter out the category from here, and then you can enjoy high quality images of the Pixabay. So these were the 5 best websites from where you can download these stock photos and stock videos for free. I know that there are a lot of websites from where you can download the free stock photos and stock videos. I have given you the 5 websites from usually where I download my images. So if there are any websites which you use to download the images, you can give their names in the comment section below. Anyways, thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel.